Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make avocado lime ranch. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 ripe avocado, the juice of 1 fresh lime, and your favorite ranch seasoning mix. Also, have on hand some buttermilk and a little water for adjusting consistency. Fresh ingredients truly make all the difference in achieving that vibrant, zesty taste. Make sure your avocado is perfectly ripe for a smooth, creamy texture. Now, let's get blending. Scoop the flesh of your ripe avocado into a blender or food processor. Add the fresh lime juice and about 2 tablespoons of your preferred ranch seasoning mix. Next, pour in 1/2 cup of buttermilk. Secure the lid and blend on high until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy. Scrape down the sides as needed to ensure everything is fully incorporated for a consistent texture. Once blended, it's time to perfect the consistency and flavor. If the ranch is too thick, add a tablespoon of water or a little more buttermilk at a time, blending after each addition until it reaches your desired pourable consistency. Now, give it a taste. You might want to add a pinch more salt, a dash of black pepper, or even a tiny bit of hot sauce for an extra kick. Adjust until it's just right for you. Your homemade avocado lime ranch is now ready to enjoy. It's fantastic as a dip for vegetables, a dressing for salads, or a topping for tacos and grilled chicken. For best results, serve it fresh. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. The color might darken slightly, but the flavor will still be delicious. Be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.